got a wicked awesome exhaust leak, as you just noticed. It's just before the cat. So I'm gonna crawl under there and see what we can do to repair that pipe from a temporary standpoint. Hopefully get a little bit more life out of it before I go and change the exhaust or something. Well, let's have a crawl and see what's up. So coming down under the car, I just gave the cat a smack with my palm and broke it completely free from the tailpipe, so there's open headers for you. That might be a little complicated to weld up considering the angles here to deal with. Well, we're gonna try it first. I don't have a lot of time, so gonna see if we can't make it work like usual. Some kind of raunchy band-aid, perhaps. All right, we're gonna try and see what happens. So back under the car, and it would appear that the piece of tailpipe from the other Chevette that I cut off fits right inside these other pipes. So I think that tells me exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sleeve this from the inside and just tack weld around, and hopefully that's gonna be the end of this problem here. See if I can't get it in place, and then I'll come back with the welder. All right, so I took the downpipe off from the header. It actually came off without breaking. Good start. And I've got my sleeve in there. I'm just gonna tack it, and then I'll go around and clean it up and try to lay a bead around it. I've also got some tailpipe sealer, or exhaust pipe sealant. We'll see what we have to do here. It's definitely not the first time I've been in a awkward position as such. It's part of the adventure, right? Well, here's to hoping. Well, it's as well as it can be. That is a relief. Still a little bit from the front end, it sounds like. A little leak at the flange. I'll tighten that up. Other than that, I think I'm gonna be happy. All right, so I tightened that flange up. Let's tap the throttle here. That is way more tolerable. It's gonna be a pleasure to drive again, and my exhaust won't fall off. Excellent. Yeah, that's how it should be. Perfect. Not too extra noisy. Cool. Well, thanks folks for watching. I know it's a short and sweet one, but there is lots more planned for the future. It's a matter of getting a few things in order prior to. And sorry I don't frequently upload. I try to make a video when I have the opportunity to. You know, this isn't my full-time gig. I kind of just do this on the side for the fun of it. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm up to again, and we'll see you on the next round. Cheers.